Make a great choice today with the 2017 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, power lift gate, privacy glass, rain-sensing wipers, remote trunk release, skid plate package, tires front all season. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.